friends! I'm Misha! Subscribe to watch more video. This is a clownfish. This is a dolphin. This is a shark. This is an octopus. This is a sea turtle. This is a pufferfish. This is a starfish. This is a jellyfish. This is a seahorse. This is a whale. This is a penguin. This is a seal. This is a walrus. This is a crab. This is a lobster. This is a stingray. This is a moray eel. This is a swordfish.